Hello, my dear friends. So, today we are going to speak about daily routine. Look at the pictures first, and can you name all these actions in English? Well, we'll come back to this task a little bit later. And now, welcome to my English speaking course. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to talk about your daily routine in English in 3 levels. Can you imagine? Level 1, Level 2, and Level 3. So, the first one, for example, I wake up at 7 a.m. The second one is,
I usually wake up around 7 a.m.
and the third one is,
I tend to wake up at around 7 a.m., although it varies depending on my schedule.
sounds good, right? I'll guide you step by step and you'll learn some useful phrases you can use every day. Let's get started. Here is a quick question for you. What time do you wake up every morning? Think about it and write in the comments. For example, hello, I'm from Morocco. I wake up at 7 a.m. And today we are going to talk about everything we do in a typical day. And I'm sure you will improve your speaking in English. Let's begin with some common daily routine actions. Listen and repeat after me, out loud. Wake up. Brush my teeth. Take a shower. Get dressed. Have breakfast. Go to work. Have lunch. Go home. Have dinner. Go to bed. Well done. And now we'll try a little bit faster. Wake up. Brush my teeth. Take a shower. Get dressed. Have breakfast. Go to work. Have lunch. Go home. Have dinner. Go to bed. Great. And now quiz time. I start and you finish these expressions. Are you ready? Let's get started. Wake. Brush my. Take a. Get. Have. Go to. Have. Go. Have. Go to. Great job! And now look at the slide and check your expressions. Well, we'll come back to these pictures, and can you name all these actions now? Well done! Wake up, get dressed, brush teeth, and have breakfast. And now we put all the words into simple sentences. It's better to say about yourself, so we'll start every time. I. Listen and repeat after me. I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth at 7:30 a.m. I take a shower at 7:45 a.m. I have breakfast at 8 a.m. I go to work at 9 a.m. Are you ready to continue? So now let's practice the second half of the day. As usual, listen and repeat out loud. I have lunch at 1 p.m. I go home at 5 p.m. I have dinner at 7 p.m. I go to bed at 10 p.m. How is it going? Are you repeating after me? Let's make it a little more fun. Can you say this sentence 3 times? Try it. A little bit slow first. I brush my teeth with my favorite toothpaste. I brush my teeth with my favorite toothpaste. I brush my teeth with my favorite toothpaste. Nice! Keep going! And now imagine that your friend asks you, "What's your daily routine?" How do you answer? Let's practice. I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m. Then I brush my teeth, take a shower, and get dressed. Then I brush my teeth, take a shower, and get dressed. After that, I have breakfast. After that, I have breakfast. I go to work at 9 a.m. I go to work at 9 a.m. I finish work at 5 p.m., go home, have dinner, and go to bed at 10 p.m. I finish work at 5 p.m., go home, have dinner, and go to bed at 10 p.m. Can you try saying your own daily routine? Do it just right now. Pause the video, think about it, and then say it out aloud. I will wait for you. And now you are going to speak about your daily routine in 3 levels. So, level number 1. I wake up at 7 a.m. Then I brush my teeth, take a shower, and get dressed. After that, I have breakfast. I go to work at 9 a.m. I finish work at 5 p.m. Go home, have dinner, and go to bed at 10 p.m. Level 2.
I wake up at 7 a.m., then I brush my teeth, take a quick shower, and get dressed for the day. After that, I eat a light breakfast, usually cereal or toast. I leave for work at 9 a.m. and arrive at the office around 9:30 a.m. I finish work at 5 p.m., head home, relax for a bit, have dinner, and go to bed by 10 p.m.
And now level 3.
I typically wake up at 7 a.m. followed by brushing my teeth, taking a brief shower, and getting dressed for the day ahead. Afterward, I have a light breakfast, often something simple like cereal or toast. I leave for work around 9 a.m. and usually reach the office by 9:30. I wrap up my workday at 5 p.m., return home, unwind for a while, enjoy dinner, and aim to be in bed by 10 p.m.
Now it's speaking time. Let's see how well you remember. I'll say part of the day and you'll tell me what you do. Ready? Let's start. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, Did you finish the sentences? Great job! You are learning so fast. And that's it for today. Now you can talk about your daily routine in English in 3 levels. And remember to practice every day. Come back to this video, watch it again and again, and practice speaking. And now in the comments, tell me what time you go to bed. Also, subscribe to my channel for more lessons and practice videos. And see you in the next video. And keep speaking English every day. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep believing in yourself, and keep having fun with English. You've got this. Bye-bye.